Hey, NIO Warriors. Hope your day is going better than my morning coffee, because we've got some more hot and slightly shocking news from NIO that might stir the markets even more than an espresso shot. And no, that's not a Sabrina Carpenter reference either. NIO has just halted trading of its Singapore-listed shares. Yep, you heard that right. Due to a pending announcement. The trading suspension was officially requested by none other than CFO Stanley Q, and it came in at 4:59 local time, just 1 hour and 12 seconds before the markets closed in both Singapore and Hong Kong. Talk about dramatic timing. So what's all the buzz about? Shortly after the halt, NIO revealed its plan to offer up to 181.8 million new shares. The expected proceeds, a cool $1.1 billion based on Tuesday's U.S. closing price of $6.28. And if the underwriters exercise their full 30-day option, they could bring in an additional $170 million. Not too shabby, unless you're worried about dilution, of course. The funds from this offering are earmarked for R&D across NIO's 3 brands, expanding its battery swap network, and, in their words, further strengthening the balance sheet. Translation: NIO's trying to gear up for the long haul, but Wall Street reacted as you'd expect. NIO's U.S.-listed shares dipped nearly 5% in pre-market trading, landing at $5.98 when the U.S. pre-market opened. That's 4 p.m. in Singapore, or 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Meanwhile, over in Hong Kong, shares slipped 2.26%, closing at 46.72 Hong Kong dollars. For some context, NIO currently has a market cap of around $12.75 billion, with roughly 1.95 billion shares outstanding. Despite today's sell-off, the stock has actually had a decent run lately, up 44% so far in 2025, and nearly 65% over the past 3 months, but it's still shy of its 52-week high of $7.71, which it reached back in September 2024. Average daily trading volume? Around 65 million shares. So it's definitely got Wall Street's attention. So, what do you think? Is NIO powering up for its next big breakout, or is this just another dilution detour on a bumpy road? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you picked up more shares on this dip, I want to hear how many. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more no-fluff updates on EVs, tech, and stocks. Catch you in the next one.